Di don jaka mar jong ni hang ni ke ba tung sho jadulut
Thank you for your patience.
Ni dalam Titanic lah bro. What is your message on this International Women's Day 2026 Bapol? Kalau perjor, ni dalam hang ni begini ki ruang ba arngut hang ni jaka compare lihat. Di kani kedai ka we ni ki school ba hang ni University Shillong. Kebalik si burom deng joki pir nempat ju ikot kum kani jaka permawan ni kong dang sah ti kani. Dang uriura ba dang dah ka use dah kepala.
Bawan pi dang long tang stay.
Structure dah. Di kani hang ni ke ba kedai ka we university hang ni ha mau ke siang. But ki don gini ki kena school prepare bengi wan da beta jong International Women's Day pre-celebration kani kedai ke MIT University. Ngap kanung da beng jong pi kedai ki kena samla puli nani sa komen hapol di samla puli dan pim padi kani di Win University ke baler ma kawa tangkar komle pandal ru bro pe se te ve halor kalama bit sak amin hoding lama bit sak di school prepare kuan keleng ba matas ni kadi bakham kyrpang kadi kedon ka musical evening ka ban compare khandian de ka bangar kam tip compare kum nu dengan song an pe kini king ki babak betri kini to ong le dan yu matas ni
ni don khandiat ki program sebun kindai ki performance sudah di bak benedek di ladon tai po ki school ni don ke choir na jong nampo ka university berkot kendai bagi musical event sudah. Tingin don ka special performance ni kita ki bawa na po wheels.
Ngini syong hadu banda sep kesengi ngini pej don ayun da benta jong a jong pi. Sep top. Don neighbor legend jongi. Rujui legend di don jaka mar jong ni hang ni ke ba tung sho jadulut from you ba ben mentas ni
kaganya perkara kumui da mamta last moment ngan tem colors win they happen colors it's windy also
try banda day ba hap benang ban tem flute long hap nang ban yu ya kal air ban control kal air ka bana baru om tang bana po na bali na bung
takanya onga menela ka be kal air sangane put persya itu kami sound makalong persya
ti banda bu mic rum le
em nabu ka biang ni teman-teman lara kawan ka air persya itu
kam show kam riu bahang mang no ti all the best ba ben ngan ring be ya ka ba input in perform ba ben but kiwi de ki performers ki banwan nakeleng si pej hadu pendekut.
More precisely, the days when women fought for their rights, fought to be heard, when they were voiceless, when there's injustice.
Paul, 2 lines for International Women's Day.
Dah, kasih English.
I kasih English tu kalau view. What is your message on this International Women's Day 2026, Paul?
I think as a state, we have already celebrated womanhood even before the day was officially declared as one, because Meghalaya is home to 2 indigenous communities, the Khasi Jaintias and the Garos, who both practice matrilineal, and women in our society is regarded with a lot of respect. Lineage is traced from women. I also believe that the 2 genders should work together, foster growth and ensure that wherever there are shortcomings, we address those shortcomings.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Perbuan ningkong kani bar kadang snalut kani baru. Adi mentate. This is good, bro. See? This is nice. So nice. So in the nice. Krem saudong. Nanti ngai pi wei ke view berdekat lah ni. Aja wanteng kadang wei ke top le ham hang ni. Ke bakap no pau hajar gitar tu pakadi kani. Kani wingi kani hang ni kadi ke top Kerkong kucing itu jong kita ki perlap. Nah kani nam tu. Kani man. Oh di. Oh baik. Oh. Ni ko umro si yong ka tenring bar ka kedan ni. Oi. Ni dah penhek shoot kan ni jaka mak. This is nice. Is kata kan ka balong open ka cafeteria bas lah. Chalo, mai dep ni ni lenyok. Sekno pi video perlap. That was wonderful Women's Day celebration. Best plan. I comment ke hit na matajang ki kynthei kilong kami ke jogi. Bersibun perlok. Sekno pi video. But mama damang la tristom no mane. Kajing kia tong tiu tiar dat. Dah, tip top. Bye bye. See you.